Welcome everybody. In this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to program in JavaScript for Unity 3D in 1 hour. Unity 3D is a 3D game engine that is very easy to use, and it's probably one of the best video game engines I've ever seen. It's actually very indie friendly, and if you ever want to make a game, a 3D game that is, Unity 3D is definitely my first choice. It's really easy to use, it's very indie friendly, and you have the highest chance of getting your game out the door so people can play it. And if you want to learn how to upload to the App Store or just release a game in general, Unity 3D is probably the best one to do out of all the other 3D game engines. So, in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you all the basics of JavaScript for Unity 3D. There's actually several different programming languages we can use for Unity 3D, but in this one, I'm going to show you how to simply code in JavaScript. This tutorial series is meant for beginners, so if you've never coded before, this is for you. If you have coded before, this probably is a little too basic for you, but the whole point of these 1 hour courses, and I have a lot of these 1 hour courses, is to make sure that you come out with some skills at the end. Usually with my courses, I take people from knowing nothing to having something that they can use at the end of the course in 1 hour. And the best part about this course is that I streamlined all the information into very short tutorials, and so that you learn the most amount in the least amount of time. Alright? I hope to see you in the course.